Welcome to the control panel tutorial. In this tutorial you will test out a few of the DE2115's capabilities. Before we start, make sure that your DE2115 is connected to a power supply and to your computer through the USB blaster. First, you will want to open the DE2115 system CD folder. Then go to DE2115 tools. Then click on DE2115 control panel. And if your operating system is running on less than 64 bits, click on DE2115 control panel. Otherwise, click on Win7 64 bits. Then click on DE2115 control panel. It should automatically connect. Now that it's connected, you can control the DE2115's components such as the LEDs, or the LCD, or the 7-segment display. Thank you for watching.